rewarding merit, Mr. Speaker. But that is not why I rise, Mr. Speaker. I rise to say that the task that is on the hands of Mr. Noordin Haji is greater than what we even imagine. In a new world, Mr. Speaker, intelligence will require that we apply new technologies, we apply new and emerging trends in intelligence gathering, Mr. Speaker. So it is to tell Mr. Haji as he takes office that he needs to look into the new space of artificial intelligence, of robotics, of emerging technologies, so that he can up the game of intelligence in this country, and we can end up being a pilot and a case study.
Time up. Member for Ijara, 1 minute.
Mr. Speaker, thank you for giving me this time. Mr. Speaker, thank you for giving me this time. On behalf of Ijara people, I am grateful and indeed honored to thank His Excellency the President for giving us, appointing us one of our son to head the security docket. The people of Ijara are proud to have one of their sons to be nominated for the said position.
Thank you.
And Mr. Speaker, Noordin Haji is a competent man with integrity whose capacity is never in doubt. And when he's worked at the DPP and the Deputy Director of Counterintelligence, he received integrity awards and gained confidence and trust of Kenyans. I welcome his appointment